Let's begin at the documentation for the Unified Dashboards and Reporting for Infrastructure Management solution. Scroll down to the Solution Steps section, look at item number 3, and click on Add CAPM to be directed to the information covered in this video. Okay, so let's get started by going to CA Support Online. Prior to implementing the Unified Dashboards and Reporting for Infrastructure Management solution, you must first download and install additional software for CA Performance Management 3.1. To locate the required additional software installation file, begin by mousing over Download Center. When the Download Center options appear, click Download Products. On the Download Center page that opens, I'll select the product and release level. And when the selections are complete, click the Go button. The required additional software installation files are included in the product components list, so I'll scroll down in the list and locate the files. This is the set of install and checksum files for the Performance Center and the Data Aggregator. I'll download and install these files prior to proceeding with the rest of the implementation. To make CABI reports that use CA Performance Management data available, they need to be installed on the CABI JasperReports server. Let's open a WinSCP session with the Performance Center server from the CABI server to download the installation file that contains the reports. The required installation file is located in the CA Performance Center installation directory in the CABI folder. Now I'll download the installation file to the CABI server. And then extract the contents of the downloaded installation file to a folder. To start the installation, run install.bat on a Windows machine or install.sh on a Linux machine. Be sure to read the warning message and then proceed with the installation by responding with the letter Y for yes and press Enter. Confirm that the default input path to CABI is correct before proceeding. Here, the default input path does not match the actual input path, so it will need to be provided. After entering the correct input path, including quotes since it contains spaces, press Enter to continue. Here, I'll enter the hostname of the Performance Center server. Now I need to obtain the Performance Center GUID, so I'll open a web browser and enter the URL that will return the GUID value. I need to authenticate the request before the Performance Center will respond with the value. I'll copy the GUID value and return to the installation prompt. Enter the GUID value and continue with the installation. I'll press Enter to accept the default target port and Enter to accept the default target schema. The report's installation completed without errors. So now I'll open the Jasper Server user interface and verify that this is true. The installation should have created a PM organization and loaded objects to the repository. I'll first verify the new organization was added. The PM organization is present, So next I'll take a look at the Users page. The installation does not create users within the PM organization. To create users, click the Add User button. Complete the Add User dialog and click Add User to PM. Ensure the username and password for each CABI user matches the username and password for each corresponding Performance Center user. I won't be creating users at this time, so we'll click Cancel. Now I'll take a look at the objects added to the repository. Well, it looks like the PM Overview dashboard was loaded. Let's see what other types of objects were loaded by the installation. We can see that many PM-related objects are now present in the CABI repository. I'd say the installation was successful. For more detailed information about how to integrate CA Performance Management with CABI JasperReports Server for the Unified Dashboards and Reporting for Infrastructure Management solution, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can go to Product Documentation, visit the CA Communities, or see the Learning Path.